Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues that you have on Twitter app. To know how to find a solution about Twitter app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Twitter. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. And then you can go to Play Store. If you will find here in this blue sign updates, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.